Now, my setup includes a laptop, Mac Mini, PlayStation 5 and a soundbar. Most monitors don't even give you more than 2 HDMI ports, which is why I decided to use the LG C5 48-inch OLED as my main display. The good part is that all 4 HDMI ports on the C5 are HDMI 2.1, so they support 4K at 120Hz, which works perfectly for consoles and computers. In this video, I will show you 5 useful tips and hidden shortcuts that make daily use of the LG C5 or any other LG OLED TV much smoother. Let's start with the most obvious one. LG's Magic Remote is unique because it works like a pointer. You move the remote and the cursor moves on screen. Now, if you ever find the cursor annoying, you can instantly switch to classic button navigation. Just press any arrow key and the cursor disappears. And when you want the cursor back, simply scroll the wheel once and you're back in pointer mode. No settings, no menus, it just works. As much as I like the Magic Remote, I do wish LG had included a dedicated input source button. Normally, when you press the input hub button, it takes 3 to 4 seconds to open, which can feel slow when you're switching devices often. Here's the shortcut. Long press the same input button and it lets you directly cycle through HDMI inputs, much like older TVs. If even that feels inconvenient, there's another option. You can buy a basic LG compatible IR remote from Amazon. These usually have a dedicated input button. I honestly didn't expect it to work, but it does. No pairing required, just insert batteries and start using it alongside the Magic Remote. Just like on a phone, apps on WebOS can sometimes freeze. If an app becomes unresponsive, go to the home screen. Then press the back button to bring up the list of recently used apps. From here, you can close individual apps or clear them all to free up memory. It's a quick way to relaunch an app without breaking your flow. When you have 4 devices connected, remembering which HDMI port is which can be difficult. Instead of guessing, you can rename your HDMI inputs. Go to Input Hub, click the 3-dot menu and choose Edit Inputs. Here, you can rename each input and even change its icon. Once saved, switching inputs becomes much faster because everything is clearly labeled. Here's one feature many people miss. You can rearrange apps on the home screen to match how you actually use the TV. Just long press the scroll wheel on any app to enter edit mode. Select an app and move it left or right to change its position. You can keep rearranging apps as much as you want. Once you are done, click close to exit edit mode. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.